If you're using your iPhone to take pictures, and all of the pictures that you're taking on your iPhone, or most of them, are important to you, then the next thing you may decide to do is you want to make sure that your images are protected, which means you're going to want to sync them to something in the cloud-based storage. The easiest answer with an iPhone is to sync your images into your iCloud account. Now, if you have an iPhone, you absolutely do have an iCloud account. Your iCloud account could be a free iCloud account, which means you get 5 gigabytes of storage. But you could also pay for different increases in storage from beyond 5 gigs to 50 gigs, 200 gigs, 2 terabytes, or 6 terabytes, or even 12 terabytes. Now, you may need to pay for more storage if you're going to sync your photos into your iCloud account. I'm going to click on iCloud, and you can see that in my iCloud, it says iCloud Plus because I'm paying for the 50 gigabytes. You can see that in Save to iCloud, I have iClouds, iCloud Drive, iCloud Mail, passwords, all these different options that I could save to the iCloud. Now, all I want to show you in this conversation is iCloud Photos. If I click on that, store your photos in iCloud. Now, it'll store your photos and your videos. However, if you don't have enough space in your iCloud account, then when you click on Sync This iPhone, it's going to do this. It's going to say, you basically don't have enough space, Teddy. And it's going to recommend that you upgrade to another level of premium storage for your iCloud. When you click on Upgrade Options, you can see that I'm paying 99 cents or $12 a year for 50 gigabytes. Now, I could make a decision to upgrade to 200 gigabytes for basically $36 a year, 2 terabytes for basically $120 a year, and so on and so on. 200 gigabytes would be absolutely plenty for me and probably for most of us. That's basically $36 a year. This is one option for saving your photos into a cloud-based solution, in this case, iCloud. But again, if I don't upgrade, I'm not going to be able to do it on my iPhone. The only other option I would have would be to go back through my photos and make a decision and start deleting the stuff that I don't need. Might take a lot of photos to be gotten rid of in order for me to be able to get it down small enough. I'm not a fan of squeezing it in to make it work, because the next time you take a few videos, it's going to shut you down again. iCloud storage. One of the simplest things an iPhone user could do for a very reasonable price to protect and save your photos and your videos.